Honorable Shri Om Prakash Ji Suri, Srimati Nirmal Ji Suri, Shri Sumit Ji Suri, Shri Hemant Ji Suri, learned Principal Shri Satish Ji Niranjani, equally learned staff, colleagues, and lovable students. I greet you all on this auspicious day of 74th Independence Day of our country. This Independence Day is rather unique because we all are facing the COVID-19 pandemic situation for almost 5 months now. This, I feel, has made us stronger, has made our family bonds stronger, and has taught us to live and face difficult situations like this. I'm sure we all will come out of it and will be much stronger than what we are now and what we were earlier. This pandemic situation has taught us to live without the fast food and soft drinks and ice creams. I'm sure this has helped us to improve our health. If we fall in the habit of keeping away with these things, we will be healthier further. In this pandemic situation, the family bonds have become stronger. We have learned to live with limited resources. We have learned to innovate and improvise over learning situations. Both students and teachers have been successful in doing this, and I congratulate students as well as teachers for this. The creativity and improvisation shown by students in different videos proves that how involved they are when they are learning. In times to come, we all will come out from this difficult situation, and when we shall meet under the roof of the Omni School, we all will be sharing many more experiences. This is the right time to salute doctors, municipal corporation workers, the social workers, the soldiers, the policemen, and all those, the hotel industry, who in this difficult situation has come out wholeheartedly to help the society to face this situation. These workers have tirelessly worked. They have not bothered about what should be their family doing. Their family has equally supported them. This is one of the learning situation for everyone, that when time demands, when the nation demands, we must come out of our personal things and serve. I am certain students will develop their character stronger on this service fold, on the sacrifice fold, and will help our nation to come out stronger, to be still better a nation. I once again salute all soldiers who have saved us from this pandemic and greet you all once again on this auspicious Independence Day. Jai Hind.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Respected Shri Father Figure Shri Om Prakash Suri Ji, Srimati Nirmal Suri Ji, Param Adarniya Shri Sumit Suri Ji, Shri Samadarniya Shri Hemant Suri Ji, dear parents, teachers, and beloved students. In the morning of our 74th Independence Day, I would like to put some of my thoughts in front of you. We have got independence after struggle of continuous 800 years. It's our foremost duty to maintain it and to make our country a strong country a best country of the world in future. I would like to pay homage to the martyrs who sacrificed their life for getting the independence. The number cannot be counted, and who sacrificed the life after independence to save it. Our country is like a living organism. There is a role for every cell of this organism. If all of us are paying our role honestly with loyalty, then definitely our country will become more strong and will be growing for the future. Being teacher, we need to teach with loyalty to the students. Being students, we need to learn. Being parents, we need to support this education system. Being management, already is being taken care and provided the best facilities for the students. So everyone, if they are paying their duties honestly, the country will grow up. With these thoughts, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you very much for listening me and giving me a chance to speak. Thank you very much.